As you are down, if you're looking for a good washing machine, semi-automatic, wash and spin, this is 10 kg, they are SYINIX. It's going for 25,500 shillings. It's got a 25 months warranty. So this one is a twin tab washing machine ya SYINIX. Iko na wash and spin on this side na zimebakia mbili peke yake of these ones. Then tuko na hii, this one is already sold but kuna zingine ziko around there. It's a BEKO 31,325 liters capacity. It's a twin tab as well. Wash and spin 10 kgs as well. And then we have iko hapa in NUNIX 10 kgs capacity, wash and spin as well. So it's going for only 28,950 shillings. And then pale mbele hiko hapa hivi ni Tornado. Okay, it's a Tornado washing machine. It's 12 kgs capacity and it's going for 38,500 shillings. Pia yenyewe ni wash and spin semi-automatic washing machine. So come and get yourself these ones. Don't stress yourself so much kwa kuinama kila wakati ukifua. Sasa karibu sana Patazone, come and get yourself.